Are you frustrated by the load failed error during your gameplay? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Restart the game and device. Close the game completely. Sometimes, a quick restart can work wonders by clearing temporary glitches and software issues. Give it a try and see if the error persists. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date is crucial for optimal performance, especially with newer games like WWE 2K24. Head to the respective websites and install the latest drivers to potentially resolve the issue. Step 3. Disable mods. Mods can sometimes cause compatibility issues, leading to loading errors. Try disabling any mods you're using and see if the problem persists. Step 4. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, a fresh installation of the game might be the solution. This can help replace any missing or corrupted files that could be causing the error. There you have it. Follow these steps to tackle the load failed error in WWE 2K24 and get back to enjoying the action-packed gameplay.